And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I feel like we just skipped over spring and summer and fall. We just went right back to winter again. And I do love the Hallmark season, I'm not going to lie. I don't like days like this, though. Cloudy, dreary in Richmond right now. There's been some fog. There's been some showers, and the showers moving in this afternoon. The visibility for fog has been reduced to less than half a mile in Providence and also less than a quarter of a mile in Smithfield. And the fog has been locally dense throughout the afternoon. The fog will give way to just steady rain and wind tonight, and probably won't be much more of an issue once we get past about 6, 7 o'clock. Temperatures have been rising all day. We're now at 51 in Coventry, 54 in Taunton. There's actually a warm front that is right about here, separating some cooler air in central Mass and mild air here, and our temperatures will actually continue to go up during the overnight. The winds have behaved most of the day, but starting to see some increases at the coast now, where sustained winds are about 10 to 15, and these winds will continue to increase so much that the gusts end up becoming about 35, 40, 45 miles an hour tonight, and a wind advisory. We've had many wind advisories or some kind of weather alert for winds all month long. We do it again tonight. For Rhode Island and southeastern Mass, excluding northwestern portions of the state, but everybody will have some wind, gusts 35 to 50, sustained winds about 15 to 25. Winds will be out of the south at first, turning south-southwesterly during the overnight. All part of this system here that will be moving closer to the area. This is a warm front that's lifting through the area now. That triggered the showers throughout the afternoon, but the core of the steadier rain is still off to our west, and that will move in during the overnight. So the rain intensity will pick up after we go about 8, 9, 10 p.m., and that will also usher in those stronger winds too. So here are the showers, southwest to northeast, and just about everybody's had some kind of rain. Roads are wet for the evening commute, and you can see much of Rhode Island right now when I stop this, and parts of southeastern Mass doing with some kind of shower activity. Nothing too terribly heavy, but making things wet for the drive home. So windy tonight, rain will continue. We're at our low temperatures. I mean, throw low temperatures out the window because we just continue to rise overnight. So pretty much what the low temperature graphic is showing is where you're at right now. And then tomorrow, I called it a sneaky day yesterday, and I still feel that way. Some clouds in the morning. It's breezy throughout the day, but we pop some sunshine in the afternoon. All bets are off of how great tomorrow afternoon could be. Temperatures 50s at the coast, 60s inland. The record at TF Green is 66 back in 2017, and we have a chance to tie or break the record before our next snowstorm arrives. Yes, this will be the second time this month we did that. We did it back on the 12th, set a record, and then had a snowstorm the 13th and 14th. No snow tonight, just showers becoming steadier and heavier after about 9 p.m. That's when the strongest winds will be. Continue overnight. The rain will eventually come to an end by daybreak tomorrow. Out of here fast enough that the clouds will follow suit as well. And besides a stray little shower in the afternoon, otherwise it's mainly sunny, and they're those 50s and 60s. Let's talk about the end of the week real quick. Talked about how we go from record highs to a snowstorm. Well, here it is. Advancing closer late Thursday night. The Friday morning commute is going to be a mess. Snow will come down, a big thump of it, before some changeover throughout the day. Sleet, freezing rain, and mainly just rainfall. But there'll be enough thump at first that there'll be accumulations. And then once it turns over to some rain in the afternoon, it just becomes slop in the afternoon. That's not a weather technical term, just slop. And then by Friday evening, it's out of here. So what I did was highest totals Mass Pike. Snow totals depended on how much mixing, if any. But I can tell you right now, even if you change over, it's going to be a messy day on Friday. Cold for the weekend. No problems for early next week now. But cold. Temperatures 20s Monday, 30s Tuesday. Tiffany.
Up next, a student from Northeastern in the